Welcome to another Technics Auto Centre video. Today we have a Mini Cooper and we will be checking under the hood of this Mini Cooper. And what we'll be doing is replacing a cylinder head gasket, water pump, alternator, and many other problems and many other things. So just continue and watch this video with us while we disassemble this engine and look for any additional parts that will be needed to be replaced. This is the Mini Cooper engine. Just take it out the car. We have some trouble with some bolts and the tensioner in the front, and there's like no space. So eventually we have to just take it out. So now we're going to open the engine up and see what's going on, what damage inside. And you know this car did have an issue where it losing water, but you're not seeing any water on the ground, plus overheating and different things. So we know it's some internal thing going on, so we're going to check it out now. Take the engine out. We got to, make some checks in here. And you can see where this water connector is busted. So we definitely have to replace this one. And there's some small sweating on the power steering pump over here. There's a little bit of sweating over here too, so we'll clean it up and see if it's the steering or just the same hose leaking and spreading around the back here. But everything else looks okay for the suspension. So we're going to just concentrate on the engine and fix this small leak here. Clean it up before we put the engine back in. So far this engine has big problems. Without even opening it, there's a strong possibility this cylinder head is no good based on the external symptoms that I've seen in the portal. I'm going to take off the cylinder head, so I'm going to just start with a few things. First, I just want to open up the valve cover. This kind of some of these bolts are a little bit rusty. Okay. Let's finally off. So the cover is off. You can see this car service regular. The inside is nice and clean. Inside is pretty clean. Just one thing, the ports are full of a lot of oil. So this is part one of this mini engine repair video. Next video we will start to put the engine back together.